obviously is by improving your confidence levels, because then you can actually show your true self. When we don't feel confident, we don't reveal ourselves to other people. And one of the best ways to start working on that is just by practicing being more assertive. I've seen people sitting in coffee shops that were freezing because the cafe employees left the door open because they were probably hot behind the counter there. But all the people who went to the cafe to get warm were not assertive enough to actually say anything, and they would just sit there with their winter jackets on, freezing. So this is a good opportunity, and there's many other opportunities in public like this as well, where you can go assert yourself by politely going and asking to close the door. It's very easy. Being easy and actually doing it or not doing it are two very different things. Things can be easy, and if you don't do it, it has no value. So you have to start working by being more assertive, by speaking about what you want, asking for what you want, and going after what you want. These different qualities will come across much more attractive to women than the guys who are generally passive and won't say what they actually mean and won't ask for what they actually want and won't go after it, and end up turning women off because women see them as insecure and passive.